Hey everybody! So I'm super excited because the scent and warmer of the month kit that I literally just came. And I am so excited because I have not shared this one with you guys, but is one I know you're gonna love. Okay? So I know I'll have a lot of my ghost hunter friends that are gonna be like, I need that in my life because you need this in your life. Okay, so first of all, when you are a consultant, you're able to get the scent and warmer of the month kit. And in that kit, it gives you stuff to make your samples, etc. This is why you haven't received your harvest brochure yet, because I was waiting on this kit so I can send them together. So let me share with you what I get in my kit. Okay, I'm not going to show you the picture, but I get 50 flyers. I get my room spray. I get 72 rub and smell stickers. And I get 9 of the bars and the fragrance tester. Ooh, I know that's loud. Sorry, everybody. Okay. So I get my tester and I get, oh my gosh, this bag smells so good. I am already upset. Oh my God. Just wait. Just wait. We got a fly in here. Where did that come from? I haven't even been outside yet today. Okay. So we're going to start with the scent. We also get the warmer. You guys are going to die. It is so stinking cool. Okay. So first of all, let's open up these flyers because I want to read the scent. I can already smell that it has pumpkin in it. And it smells amazing. Hi, Tammy. Okay, so I'm super duper excited about this. Okay, so the scent is called Scary Good. And I can already tell you that it is scary good. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, sniff. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so good. Oh, I hope it's in the catalog next year. Oh my gosh. Okay, I told you I smell pumpkin. Okay, it says pumpkin puree sprinkled with fresh cinnamon. Totally smell that. Encounters toasted butterscotch. Yes. And creamy vanilla in a spooky, yummy treat. You guys, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect pumpkin scent. Oh my, I am all about this scent. I am all about this scent. If you love fall scents, you're going to go cuckoo on this. It is scary good. Exactly what they said. Okay, so let's read the notes that's in it. Okay, the top notes are cinnamon sticks, ground nutmeg, fresh clove. I totally smell it. The mid notes, pumpkin puree, Indonesian ginger. I totally smell all of these things. It is like the best pumpkin, yummy, pumpkin spice scent ever, okay? And then the base notes are sweet butterscotch, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. You guys are gonna flip when you smell this. Okay. So good. All right. So in the month of September, this drops September 1st, okay? In the month of September, all this is 10% off. So the bars go from being $6 to $5.40. The room spray, which, oh my God, I'm going to be spraying the heck out of myself. I love it. I'm so excited about this set. I can't even tell you right now. Okay, hi Lenore. Where was I? The room spray goes from $8 to $7.20, and then the scent circle, which I am gonna buy scent circles in this like crazy for my car, goes from $3 to $2.70. Now the warmer. Wait till you see this warmer. Let me get rid of that box. Okay, the warmer is called Haunting Good Time, and it is so stinking cool. I've seen pictures of it and I am so excited. Okay. This is a cool, cool warmer. If I can get it out. Can't stand the sound of styrofoam. Okay, oh, here's the dish. The dish is kind of a small dish. It still says 4 cubes. I would definitely only use, I would even use 2 cubes in this. 2 or 3. I don't think I'd go 4 on this one. Okay, so let's see. Is it one piece? No, here's the lid. Haunting good time. You guys, it's a haunted house. It's a haunted house. I'm so excited. That is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's go ahead and get out all of this. And I think I might put the orange bulb in this. The purple would look good too. I don't have any purple bulbs. I got to do that on my next order. Okay. So, I think I'm going to put the clear bulb in first to show you what it comes with, and then if you choose, you can order a different color bulb. I'm not sure if I want purple in here. I think my purple bulb's in my Jack Skellington warmer. Ooh, I might have to get that out. Okay, so, oh, dish. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the warmer. Hey, Rosa. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. I can't even with this warmer. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug. This one's a him. This one's 100% a him. Okay, we're going to plug him in. All right, so, oh, it's already turned on. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now you see all the colors coming through. But I think isn't it adorable? Oh my God, Rosa, the scent, Scary Good, is Scary Good. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm going to turn this off because I want to see it with the orange bulb. Because I think it would look amazing. I left it on a little longer than I should have. You know, our warmers don't get hot, but light bulbs are light bulbs, you know. They get, ooh, they get a little warm. Get a little warm. Okay. But I think the orange is going to be better. I actually think the green would look good. The purple would look good. Just put the green bulb in one of my warmers in my room, so I don't have that out. All I have is a red and a orange, but I think the orange is going to look nice. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like with an orange bulb, because I think orange would look cool. Yeah, I like the orange. I think the orange looks cool. With the witch, I think the orange is cool. What do you guys think? I think I really, really like the orange. Anyway, look at how cool the light comes through all the way to the top. Super pretty. Man, that is a cool warmer. And this scent, you guys, Scary Good is Scary Good. It is absolutely... Rosa just got here, so let's read. It's basically the perfect pumpkin spice, but it's pumpkin puree sprinkled with fresh cinnamon and counters toasted butterscotch and creamy vanilla in a spooky, yummy treat. But it's got nutmeg, and it's got cinnamon, and it's got fresh clove, and it's got butterscotch, and oh my gosh, so good. This is, yes, orange is nice, right? The orange is so cute. So if you want one of these warmers, let me know so you can order an orange bulb if you want an orange bulb. And I'll also post in my VIP group, I'll post pictures with a purple bulb, an orange bulb, the clear bulb, and the green bulb. I'll take one out of my warmers so you guys can see. But this drops September 1st, and I think it's amazing. unboxing. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think, and let me know if you want to order it. And I'm going to be getting out my harvest brochures and my samples with the flyer for this. Today's my day off, so I'm going to work on that today. Anyway, you guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.